That's the only way.
And well, in that note, because I just got permission for it a little bit more, just a little bit more. What would you tell your younger self about the importance of failure in the artistic creation? Because I think it's also a part that we have to take into consideration, the possibility of failure.
Right. When I went to the Sundance Lab and I was a fellow there, there was great philosophy there. Was that because it was, they said you're here to fail, and then fail again better the next day, and then fail again better the next day. It's a nice phrase, a way to put it. So the idea that if you think that every single day there aren't going to be failures, you're completely hypnotized and you're kidding yourself. It's just the recovery from the failure and moving forward.